Zane, baby.
Are your eyes closed?
Yes, yes, yes. Zane, baby. Chad, is this a setup, yes or no?
We're almost there. We have like 1 more mile.
1 mile?
Mm-hmm.
We might have to swim across the river.
Yeah, we're gonna have to swim.
We gotta swim?
I don't mind getting wet. Yeah.
Yeah, you don't mind getting wet, right? Keep going straight though. Wait, cross.
Yeah, actually, we might be able to cross.
Yeah.
There. Wait, I think we're almost here.
Yeah,
I didn't
just
pass
keep
it, right?
going. No, just
Here.
keep going right. It's up straight.
Shit.
Chad, what the fuck do I do, bro?
It's right.
Should I pass it?
No, keep going.
Oh.
A little bit more. It's right there.
Right there.
Yeah.
Where?
Stay right here.
Hello, my friend.
I know, it's hard
Oh,
to
oh,
see.
shit.
It's hard to see.
Hello?
Alright, you can open your eyes.
Hello, my friend.
Here. It's back here.
Yeah, somewhere over here.
Alyssa, over here.
Where at?
This way.
Alright, come here.
You see it?
You
It's
see
like
it?
in the trees.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, you see it? Yeah, this shit is hidden.
Mm-mm.
Hidden, just like we like it.
What is this? Oh shit.
Well,
Oh shit.
Yeah. You like what you see?
Yeah, I do. What the fuck? So where are we doing this at?
In the bedroom, of course.
Okay. Now what? You hear me? Yo,
Yeah.
what's up?
Are you ready?
Chad, they're freaky. Yeah.
Are you muted?
Yeah, let's go.
Alyssa? I'll just start until she gets back.
Sure, do your thing. Wait, why are you guys saying mute? Mute what?
What? Wait for him to mute.
You said wait for me to what?
Mute?
Oh, okay. Why would I mute Chad? Alright, it's muted. It's muted. Yeah. You can't hear me? Alright, I muted it, yeah. 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 Yeah, I muted. Yeah. My bad. I'm taking it all in. That's why, you know. Yeah. Holy shit balls. That's crazy. That's crazy. All right. So what now? I already you know whated. But I. All right. Fuck it. Come on. Yeah. Chat. They're too deep in on God. Okay. 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 All right. All right. All right. What's the best T/E shit? What is it? All right, bro. Chat. If you're doing we're not gonna actually do this, bro. I'm not doing this, bro. They're too deep in, bro. This is actually fucking crazy. Chat, if you guys got Amazon Prime, Twitch Prime, you guys are new to the stream, hit that follow button right now. If you guys got Amazon Twitch, Jesus Christ. All right, holy fuck. Okay, I'm done. That was crazy. Why is my stream lagging? I think his mic is downloading fucking stand up. Guys, on everything I love on my heart, bro. I'll literally stand up right now, bro. I have a girlfriend. That shit was literally virtual fucking... Oh my god, the pants just looked hella weird. I swear to God I'm not, bro. See?